From the year started, I have been harvesting tomatoes from this indeterminate tomato plant. It has gotten very, very tall. I believed it is actually in a good place because tomatoes do love a lot of sunlight, and it is getting very, very tall. However, I am not sure if the leaves are being scorched or if they're being eaten. I don't know. We've been having a lot of rain recently. I also had a plant here. I took it out because the leaf man decimated it. And so I think, you know what? I am wrong. This is the tomato plant that was right here. I took it out because I wanted everything to be in line. I didn't want to have one tomato plant there, one here, none here, and then one down there. So I took this one out from here and I planted it in here. So now I have 3 tomato plants. That is this one, the one over there, and this was supposed to be another one that I moved, but it is not doing well. I am going to be taking this out. Also, I have been waiting on these for a few months now. I came out on a few occasions and I saw flowers on them, but for some reason all the flowers are falling off and the leaves, they're just not looking good. So something is actually going on with these tomato plants. So what I'm going to be doing, I have let me see, I have 2 of the yellow beans vacant. So I'm going to be taking out 2 of these plants, and as a matter of fact, I believed I'm going to be taking out all of them. Let me see how many I have right here. So this is 1, 2, 3. This one needs to be staked properly. This one is it's 4, 5, 6, 1 tiny one back here, 7, and 1 here, 8. So I'm going to be taking out 2 of these maybe now or later to transplant them, 2 of them in the yellow bins, and then the next 6 I am going to find somewhere else to put them, because earlier in the year I was getting a lot of sunlight through this area, but right now this part of the garden is not really a sunny part of the garden, because even my watermelons that I sowed back here, they've all died, and I do have some beans that I sowed underneath there, and the tomato plants along with the marigold plants, they have been shading out the beans. See, the beans actually came up pretty nice, but I think they need some more sunlight. I do not have not even one of the watermelons right now. They're all dead. Oh, hold on. They all died. I don't know if this is a watermelon, you know. This looks like one, I don't know, or this is a cucumber. Either way, I'm going to be taking them out. And then I have to move this sweet potato thing over there, the sweet potato bed. I definitely have to take it out now. I was really waiting to see if I would get a sweet potato harvest, but I just cannot have it growing like this in this area. I definitely have to take it out, guys. And furthermore, you all have been telling me that my peppers over there need some sunlight. This is actually a good area to get a little bit more sunlight from where the peppers is right now. So I am going to switch around things a little bit. But the main reason for today's video is to save the tomato plants. So what I'm going to do, I am going to prune them, take off all the bad leaves, continue working, and then this evening, by the grace of God, I will come back and transplant all the tomatoes. I've already told you where I'm going to be putting 2 of them, and then I will show you where I'm going to be putting the next 6. I have to find a spot for them first. All right, so let's prune these tomatoes right now. So guys, while I was pruning the tomato plant, I made a very keen observation. I noticed that there's a lot of suckers coming out in between these areas right here. See? So I am assuming that these tomatoes are indeterminate tomatoes, even though every tomato put out the suckers in these other areas. But I just believe that this tomato is probably the same kind like the one up there. So I'm not going to be putting them in the yellow bins. I want to find somewhere where they can grow for a longer period of time, in case I am correct. And even if I am not correct, I believed I want to have all of them in an area where, you know, they will just continue growing together, and I will just harvest my tomatoes whenever I am in one area. So I am done pruning them. I am going to check in the garden right now to see where I can put them, and then I will come back and show it to you when I am done. It is a few hours later, and I am back outside to transplant the tomatoes. I did locate a spot where I want to put them, so I'm going to pull them out and show you exactly where they're going to be. And I am keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that the rain will fall to keep them alive. It looks as if I'm not going to be able to transplant all the tomatoes. I have only taken out one of them already. I am now attempting to take out this one, but if I am not done, I will come back tomorrow by the grace of God. Guys, I am done transplanting the tomatoes, and I'm going to be using some of the comfort tea for the very first time. My goodness gracious, guys, there is so much flies already. I have to dilute it, you know, because ooh, I know it's very strong. Look in the bucket, how red it is. Jesus. Why didn't I put a net in here? Oh gosh. Ooh. I think this is enough. Huh? Yeah. It was very windy earlier. All right, my peeps, so this is where the tomatoes are. I transplanted 3 right here, 1 in the middle here, 3 right here. That is 7. That means I should have 1 more left to transplant. And I also transplanted some of the marigolds along with the tomatoes. So we are coming back in a few more days to see how well these are going to be performing, because the rain never came. I didn't water them. I only gave them the comfort tea. See you in a few days, you all. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiworks.